In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis to your Trello boards to make your workspace more vibrant and engaging. Whether you use Trello for work, personal projects, or team collaborations, adding a touch of flair can enhance your visual experience and organizational ability. Let's dive into the process and see how you can transform your Trello boards in just a few clicks. First off, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that next. Trello offers a few different login methods, so choose the option that's most convenient for you. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to personalize your Trello board with some visual enhancements. To begin, navigate to the specific Trello board where you'd like to add emojis. You can access your board by clicking it from your dashboard or by pasting a direct URL if you have it handy. Once inside the board, decide which list or card you'd like to jazz up with icons. The goal here is to add a little bit of clarity or express what the list or card represents. Click on the title of the list or card you want to edit. This action will put the text into edit mode, allowing you to make modifications. Here's where the fun begins. Now you'll need to open the emoji keyboard to insert your desired emoji. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press the Windows key and semicolon at the same time. This key combination opens up the emoji keyboard, giving you a palette of icons to choose from. If you're on a Mac, don't worry, it's just as simple. Press Control, Command, and the space bar together. The emoji keyboard will pop up, filled with smileys, check marks, and a multitude of other symbols. Take your time to scroll through the selection. Think about what emoji fits best with the content of your list or card. When you find the one that perfectly captures the essence of what you're trying to convey, click on it. Instantly, the emoji will be added to your list or card title. It's as easy as that. Adding emojis can make your board not only more colorful, but also more intuitive, and in some cases, a little bit more fun. However, here's a quick tip. While it's tempting to fill your board with emojis, try to use them strategically. Too many can lead to visual clutter, making it hard to focus. The key is to strike a balance that enhances readability rather than complicates it. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Trello workspace can be both functional and visually engaging. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.